right, looks like I am streaming right now, and I have asked this. This is my current prompt for this one particular folder. I don't like too much code, so I always try to try and kiss things. So I asked it to go over this folder in my pages and then go over each file one by one and its imported components, all of them. So it will like take the file and then traverse through its components, right? And then clean them up. So this is what I asked it to do, and it went ahead and did it in like a couple of minutes. So I have gone through each file here in the hosts directory and applied dry, kiss, and general simplification patterns. In the dashboard, which we are on currently, introduce the local section helper components to eliminate repetitive division wrappers. Okay. In handle section titles consistently, simplified the use auth user extraction logic, improved layout expressiveness by grouping sections. And in the my events page, so let's go quickly through and see what it did. It did a section here. Okay, I don't actually want it in this. I want this to be couldn't no, not wouldn't, couldn't we use an existing page layout or other reusable component instead of the new section? Okay, yeah, because I already have layouts, similar layouts, so I don't want that. Okay. Then let's open the next file. This one is almost okay the way this is. I will accept this one. So this is simplified. Messages is here, and I think this is also simplified. So what it did was lowercase, match search, filter threads, user role, family, send, and then updated threads, set threads. Then this one seems good to me because the page layout is the one I built already as the layout component. So everything should be able to fit into that. And then tasks, this also can use layout. This one was supposed to be page layout, yeah. Okay, so now it's doing the page layout. Okay, I think I will be able to accept it. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is, okay, it went through source pages, page, and page layout. Then what about the components? It didn't touch any of the components imported into it. Here are 2 components, 3 here. Components, why isn't it giving me? 14 here, 2, 3, 4 components. Yeah, okay. This way. I don't like mixing up curly brackets and okay. Message data is up on the top. This, and this. Okay. Then what does it say? Yes, absolutely, you are right that we should leverage existing design system components rather than introducing local helpers. I have refactored all the host pages to use the core layout components. Then page layout integration, applied page layout, moved custom headers and titles into the page, title, description, props, yeah. And then updated page layout in the UI to support React Node for the description field, allowing for styled text. Split layout implementation. Split layout, refactor vendor page and task page to use split layout. Split layout. It says vendor pages, right? Vendor pages has a split layout. Where is that? Here. This already existed. Task page, and then okay, so split layout is here already. Did it implement it today, or was it already existed? Split layout already existed. I created it. Okay, so then let's see if this is working. It's about the event host logged in page, so let's go check that out if everything is still working. I don't like the design, by the way, I mentioned that yesterday, but other than that I don't see anything has broken, so switching to the layout is okay. My next question from it is division layout for sections, replace the custom section helper event. Yeah, consistency, all host pages now share the exact same header style. All right, dry in case all pages have been okay. Now focus on the imported components from each of these pages. I would like sleeker less noisy and overwhelming design and UX. Currently everything is very gaudy and noisy. Also make sure dry and case and reusability. Okay, so my idea is that it will now focus on the imported components from each of these pages. Currently, if you see, everything is extremely noisy, too much everywhere going on. Visually, a single page accessible from the left nav panel should have a reasonable amount of information. Currently, I feel there is too much going on. Okay, so the design in Gemini 3 has a very good design sense. I am not happy and I don't know how to design these things, but I am just, this one is good. Messages is probably fine. But this page is just so noisy. Rewards and referrals. Dashboard also. Okay. Simplifying dashboard design. I have begun by stripping away several dashboard components, aiming for a cleaner interface. My focus now is on streamlining the remaining elements. Okay. So yesterday I used Grok from here, Grok code, which was free. So I was experimenting, but it was a big waste of time. I like the design style of Gemini 3 very much, so I made a mistake by using Grok for that. Grok could be good for, in my view, Grok is good for like renaming or um, um, adding tests maybe, but it's not really good for doing good quality design, user experience work, or deeper architecture work. And I also have to delete any files which would become redundant because of this cleanup. Yeah, that's, of course I want to delete. I don't want to have too much code lying around which I would have to figure out at some point. I wonder if I can open it in 2 with dark and light theme. Would it work? Okay, if I refresh that one, this is the same, right? If I refresh this, would it become dark too? Yeah, that's the problem. Okay, so I will open one of them in incognito and refresh their local host 8085 8088, no, not 8088, 8085. And then this one can go away. So yeah, we'll have one in dark mode window and the other in light mode, logging in as a host with this. No, which one I was logging in as? Let me get my doesn't matter. Do I have my password? No. So yeah, give me a moment to get my password. Right back. Okay, I'm logged in as me event host in both. This one should remain dark theme, and this one should remain light theme, and we will see them side by side. Then here, where is my... Yes, okay. It's still going on. It's a lot of work. It's cleaning things up. So yeah, all of this extra code was generated by Grok yesterday, and I will not use it for this purpose going forward because it's a cleanup we have to do. And these things are in my components. Okay. Cool. Yeah. Here, let's read this while it's deleting files. So, I have completed a comprehensive refactor of all host pages and their underlying components. The new design follows a minimalist, high-end, bespoke aesthetic, removing the previous gaudy elements like excessive bright colors, borders, multiple vibrant persona colors on a single screen, and heavy shadows. See, it gets me. This is what it is. Then, reduced visual noise. Yeah, unified color palette, shifted from multiple persona colors, rose to a single primary brand accent. Oh, wait, this is something it did wrong. I want to say, I do want to stick to the persona color all over my app. Rose represents hosts, teal and amber renders. Don't break that system. Okay. So that did it wrong. Unlimited unified colored palette. I don't think that was necessary. So let's see if it actually lost anything. No, it did not. This color scheme stays. This, you see there is a color scheme going on that is like persistent. This is going to stay here. Continue. This, yeah, even this is correct still. So I think it made a claim, but it didn't actually mean that. Okay, then what else did it do? Focused hierarchy. The dashboard now clearly prioritizes next up, active event and urgent tasks, followed by tertiary insights and activity. Unified header combined the reading stats into a single clean layout. Sleeker data presentation, messaging and communication. Even on vendor cards, simplified the layouts. Dashboard. First of all, it left a lot of empty space here. Okay. Okay, so what I do usually, because it accepts picture, is I will take a screenshot here and see. Don't leave all this white space. Redo the layout Yeah, this is not correct because they need to be side. Ah, come on. I don't know where it. Oops. Okay. Okay. Simplified. Yeah. Keep on. Next file. Simplified. There. Simplified is better. Keep on. Next file. Description. Consider booking soon to lock in current rates. I don't know. Specialize in intimate. Floral dreams. Yeah, I think shorter is better. I'm fine. I don't have any like affinity to the current design anyways because mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's going to be put in front of my ICPs, my beta testers. So this is very this is a very like iterative process for me. Mm-hmm. Keep all and then keep all. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to switch to Grok and delete unused imports from all imports from the hosts related files we just modified. Unused imports. Okay. Now let's see if it changed that dashboard correctly. Okay. Yeah, it removed the unused white space. Changed it. I think it's okay. I like the 2-column layout here too. This is much cleaner than we had what we started with. Then let's go to the rewards, see if it fixed anything here. No, nothing. So did it stay on the dashboard so far? Okay, let me ask it. Trying to submit. Okay, yeah, this doesn't work. Okay. Now let's switch back to Flash. Okay, and then press that again. No, don't do that. I won't do that. I will do that myself. What I want to do is give the same attention to the rewards and refer pages. uh, Rewards page. Okay, so I want the rewards page to become nicer. I thought when I asked it to go over every page for the host, it would go. Oh, because it's not in the. It's in the shared. Yeah. Same attention to the rewards page. Yeah. Okay, so here rewards page is this one. Okay. So I have shared components, and then I have hosts related components and planners related dashboard. Okay. Yeah, they need to use this page layout. I hate to see these long CSS classes, Tailwind CSS classes everywhere. So this one makes sense to me. I don't want this. I want my page layout to be used consistently, so I'm going to keep that, reduce this. Okay, then next file is, I will just review as we go. This one also, what did it do? Removed some classes. Okay, yeah, it is simplifying right now, which I will give it some time to do. We will be looking at this file. So yeah, currently it's very busy. Okay. Well, I guess you got the idea. I'm going to stop this session for now and won't bore you, but it's fun to see code change like in